All right, hey everybody, this is my second walkthrough, so I'll be showing everything or all the updates I've done in October. So if you haven't watched the first walkthrough, go ahead and do that. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So some of the things I've worked on in October are the player side, and then I also made some updates to the tournament director. But so let's go ahead and create our first player and go ahead and fill out all the basic information. And for the player side, when they choose player for their user type, I changed a little bit of that. Instead of asking like all the team information and having them upload their team photo, all they have to do instead is just enter their fielding position. So that's one thing that changed. Um, did we choose a photo yet? Not yet. All right, so let's go ahead and upload our profile photo, enter our birth date, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and then our fielding position. And then also if we play two positions, we can go ahead and add an extra position, but we'll just leave it as pitcher for now. We'll click submit. And now we should be able to log in with our player. So first thing you notice when you log in, we don't see any team information since we haven't joined a team yet. So we just have like our profile page like this. So we can actually, as a player, join the team, and if we want to join it, we'll be redirected to the search page. And on the search page, you can search for your team by name. So let's say you play for the All-Stars, and you search that. It'll actually find all the teams that are named All-Stars in there. So as you can see, here's Team 1 All-Star, and then Team 2. And if the profile picture doesn't help you clarify which is your team, you can actually go to that team's page and view their roster. Right now it's going to be empty, obviously, because we haven't created any players yet or joined them. So yeah, you can go to that team page. You can also go to the your coach's page for that team if you still can't figure it out. So let's actually go ahead and join this team. So we'll click join team, and now that we are joined to that team, we go back to our dashboard, or our our profile page. You'll see the team information, and if you click view team, you can now go to view roster again, and then now this will be a list of like all the players on that roster. It'll be by their name, their position, and then maybe their stats or whatever else could go on here. Maybe I can work on this in the month of November, but you can also see the profile image. Go to their page or whatever. Do whatever you want. So that's cool. So we created our player and we joined our team, and then that team updated its roster. Now another thing I changed and worked on is on the director side. And in order to schedule these games and stuff like that, and the brackets and all of that for your tournaments, you're gonna want to have a list of all your tournaments that you created. So as you can see here, these are all the tournaments that this guy's created. We can read more. Oh, never mind. I need to fix that. So, but anyways, we can schedule the games, and I haven't worked on this yet, but because we need to get together and figure out how we're gonna be able to schedule these games and set up the brackets and all of that. But basically, from here we can see all of our tournaments and schedule those games for those tournaments.